everyone, this is Cynthia. She's So Blessed. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to do another video. Yes, another video. It is that time already for our Tablescape Sunday. Tonight host will be our very own Diva Decorating Geraldine. It is 5 of us, Diva Dynasty. The host tonight, once again, is Diva Decorating. The co-host is Mysterious Alberta. The other co-host is me, myself, DIYing it, Tammy, and also Lynn, Lifestyle Living, Lynn. And your very own Cynthia, She's So Blessed. Tonight's video will be our Tablescape Sunday for this Sunday coming up. And the color of our Tablescape will be purple, lavender, any shade of purple. The title of our video will be Purple Mother's Day Tablescape Brunch 2020. And the rules that Geraldine would like for us to be aware of is simple. But before I go over that, like always, I just want to know, how are you today? I hope everyone is doing fine, safe, and healthy. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and get into our open invite rules that Geraldine had listed for us. The first one is must be subscribed to the host's channel. And 2, link the channel and the playlist in the description box. 3, use the color purple of any shade. 4, share something, a special memory or a special thing about your mother. Guys, that's going to be hard because I have so much special things and so many wonderful, blessed memories, but I will share a few of them. 5, display a brunch meal. That can be dessert, that can be a snack. You can make it or you can buy it. Number 6, title your video Purple Mother's Day Tablescape. 7, use the hashtag Mother's Day Tablescape Brunch 2020. 8, the upload date will be May the 3rd, anytime after midnight. That's Eastern Standard Time. 9, add your video to the playlist. 10, just have some purple Mother's Day fun. So guys, I have went over the rules with you. I will hope that everyone is able to come out and participate in our Tablescape Sunday. It's something that we like to do where we can celebrate each other, help each other channel to grow, and just enjoy and have some fun to take our mind off whatever stressful moment that we may be in. So guys, until the next time, the very next time, I will see you, yes you, and you in the next video. If you like this here video, give me a thumbs up. If you're going to be able to participate, leave a message in our description box. Guys, I hope you continue on staying safe and healthy. Wash your hands. Keep your hands out of your face. Wear your gloves and your mask. Even though we can go back out and into our world, we still have to remember to stay safe no matter what we do. Stay safe and stay prayed up. So I'll see you, yes you, in the next video. You guys have a wonderful, blessed night. Bye-bye.